Let me check. Am I giving you all the right thing? Hold on. Let me verify that. Hold on a sec. Hold on a minute. 225. Wait, plus 135 plus 117,500 plus 72. Okay, yeah, your figure is not correct. Go again. I have the correct figure on my phone here. 225,000 plus 135,000 plus 117,500 plus 72,000. That should give you a figure of, tell me, type it for me. That should give you, thank you very much so much, my dear. Whoever that is, Raccoon and Chipmunk. Those are the anonymous names I'm seeing. Right, so divide that by 4. So it, nice. What you got? Tell me what you got. Thank you so much, Good. Now, all right, so this is a formula you need to keep, right? So you divide it by 4. Good. So 137,375 divided by 475,000 multiplied by 100%. So let me type it here for you. Hold on. Let me type it? Hold on. So it will be 137,375 divided by divided by the initial cash outflow 475, right, times 100. Sorry, and that will give you your answer. Right there, and you go home. You leave the exam room. So calculate that for me. Tell me what you got. 137,000 that you just calculated, 375 divided by 475,000, which is the cash outflow, times 100. Tell me what you got. Tell me what you got, Ayana and Favel. All right, so let me move over to the other group. Max, and so even if Maria goes, we still have Max and Kevin. So Kevin and Max, year 1 to 4, could you tally that for me? Kevin and Max, we working out our ARR. Can you tally it for me? Year 1 to 4. What is your total? See, you're adding year 1 to 4. You're adding the total and you're dividing by 4. Start with that. Because we're working out the average, right? So you should be doing this. You should be adding the following. Thank you very much, Ayana. You can go home. Nah, you can't go home. Stay right there. That's the answer to the question. 28.92%. Yes. Yeah. And that's it. Done. CIPS, that's it for you. Right? So write it in, Ayana. I want you to write it in. This document is yours. Write it in, and I'm recording it as well. Right. No, I want it in the document. You typed it. Put it next to the formula here. All right. Sorry. Row 22. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. No problem. All right. My bad. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay, yeah, right. So that's a percentage, right? That's a percentage. Good. Okay, what's going on with so you understand that. What's going on with my other team? I'll bring some troops over to help you all, Ayana? Ayana? I wonder if Ayana can. Ayana, you hearing me? Yeah, Ayana, could you move over to group B for me? And just, yeah, so I'm not sure what's going on. Can you tally for me? And you could probably compare with what they have. Tally for me year 1 to 4. Do the same thing for me. So you add year 1 to 4 and come up with an average. So we have to do this twice because we want to compare with the other project. So add from year 1 to 4. Do the same thing for me. And tell me what you got. What percentage you got. And if Max is there, Max, you can add from year 1 to 5. Oh my goodness, sorry, Oh my goodness. I have you. Column what? Column what? Oh. Okay, tell me which number. Give me a number. Yes, 204000. Right, yeah, that's true. Hold on, let me just go back. Tell me where to find it again. I'm really miserable, I know. Column M. Okay, column M. Okay, I'll find it. Oh, column M. I'm in column M. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So here's what, right? Okay. So I'm seeing some stuff too. Yeah, I'm confused like hell. Okay. Here's what, right? So fine. I know that figure. So you got 204,000 over 204,000, right? That's the average, right? All right. That's correct. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So here's, yes, that's absolutely correct too. So here's what you need to do, right? For the 4 years, I needed to take that I needed to take that 204,000 divided by 635,000, which was the initial cash outflow. You with me on that? So do that for me now, no? And do that for me now. Yeah. So 204,000 divided by 635,000 multiplied by 100. Do that for me. And also the 716,000 divided by 635,000 multiplied by 100. And right, so just do that for me and put it in a nice place that I can see. Okay, and then we can go home. All right, so I'm waiting. So Ayana and Favel, I don't know if Favel is still there. Ayana, so were you able to type in the formula? You know how we got that 28%, right, Ayana and Favel? You should probably put a note. You know how we got that, right? Right, you wouldn't forget, right? On the examination day and all that, you wouldn't forget. Right? Yeah, what we do, we started with the average. We tallied the years, and to work the average, okay, in this case it was 4 years, and then we took that figure and divided by the cash outflow times 100, right? So Max, you tell me tell me where I can find it, right? I'm looking right beneath. You can put it in line with Ayana's. So Max, the first one you should get 32%, 32.12%. Ah boy, that's it. You can leave the examination room. You can go home. But the only place you can do is go home. Bars are closed. All right. So here's the thing. I would like to see it there though, because I don't want you all to forget what you calculated. I would like to see a note for the formula there, right? Put in your own note there and write the answers there for me. So Max and Kevin, if you're still there, just write. I'm not seeing it. Just put the answers below there and put a note how you got it, right? So you wouldn't forget, right? Forget. I might forget. I'll be honest with you. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Oh. Well, here's the thing, right? For project B, for project B, we calculated 1 to 4 years and 1 to 5 years. Because why we did 1 to 4 years separate was to compare with project A. So project B has a better average from when you look at 1 to 4 years as compared to 1 to 4 years for project A. You understand what I'm saying? The profit average is better. You agree with that? It's 32% versus 28%. So it's like you're comparing apples with apples. That's why we did 1 to 4 years to compare it with project A. And then we did it 1 to 5 years. You got it? Nice. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so you can put your note. Yeah. All right. Favel is still there. Favel and Kevin. I know Maria has probably left. Okay, nice. Favel, everything is all right so far? Nice. So I see Max is doing a thing. So, okay, beautiful. Yeah, do your thing, Max. Oh, Kevin this time. Okay, cool. All right, no problems. All right, no problem. I'm recording all of this. I'll share it with you guys in a minute. Yeah. Nice. Kevin, you okay? We want to go. We want to leave. 4:30. Let me do it quickly. Hold on. Wait. Let's see if he's. Oh, that's a long. That's a long note. Nah. No. Not 4. It should be 5. I'll type it. Hold on. I'll type it. Hold on. 27%. I'm just doing it similar to what Max did. Project duration 5 years. All right. I'll just put 32. Oops. Oh. I just put 32%. Yeah. Call it George. All right, and that's that. Good. So when you if you have to compare the average rate of return over the 4-year period, it's better. Project B is better. Project B has a better net present value as well. You all agree with that? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The time is now The time is now what's the time, Paul? It's now 8:40 in the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, guys. So guys, that's it. Let me just close this off. Thanks. This one was, hold on, let me just put one, write this over. 28%. You can round it off as 29%. 28%. Okay, project duration 4 years. All right, guys.